Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Open your Word document and press Ctrl+G to jump to specific pages. In the Go to box, type \page, then press Enter to select the entire page. Press Delete to remove the page content and collapse the document. If the page persists, enable Show/Hide by pressing Ctrl+Shift+8 to reveal hidden marks. Delete any visible page, breaks, or paragraph marks to eliminate blank pages. Use the navigation pane under View to visually locate and delete pages. Scroll to the document end and enable paragraph marks with Ctrl+Shift+8 to expose hidden paragraph symbols. If you see a trailing paragraph, select it and press Delete to remove the blank page. If a section break causes the blank page, click directly on the break marker and press Delete to merge sections. For stubborn blank space, open Layout, then Margins, and set bottom to 0, 5 inches to reduce extra space. Finally, preview and print layout to confirm the page is gone, and then save your file. When you only want to skip a page during printing, open File, then Print and choose Pages. In the Pages box, type a custom range such as 1-2, 4 to exclude page 3 from printing. To avoid creating extra pages, use layout options like different first page or different odd and even headers. If a section break forces a blank page, insert a continuous section break to merge formatting without adding a new page. Confirm the result in Print Preview, and then print only the selected pages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.